Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors. Let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Pay for nas from and what it. Namin said, you are no Shasiano, or no Bequay. Uncle Ponshaw was on the pony while coming home. A higher rainbow 92.5 wise man, sorry. BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors. And I know better to command on a pay. Monfan Chemi Pa. And then if you didn't have a cacao, Ama me get me to say me struggle pa. and I feel so more yen you may be na do ante ya na sound no so ne nemu ante ya na say confuse me mo fa nche be pa baby ejuma ya ba na ya baby ejuma enti be kwa homa so na mene anke ben akwhye nkomo twetwe na ase na fe no hwe dia ho no dia so metiefo 9 minutes past 9. And I've called the name still men and not to go all period a second. And I pay yes to me live over Facebook. So and I will call BWF Solicitors. I'm website. Oh, you made it go. Now over I bear phone tintakas and also www.rainbowradio.com.uk. A house your home. Tune in, Alexa. Now yes to me live for her. And see by joining him. And me permanent baby of man to most do I didn't try Eddie Abba. And see back your home. Na yam fa jumede ne mfa mbro a men se mrokwa meko anke ben wo na me na kwhye nkomo twetwe na ase but before there no me ntie we yefi eno so pep na ye ba na chese ye dem nkomo twetwe na eda ahye so to stay tuned, don't touch your dad, I'll be back.
This is our world.
Kyle say, yeah, hi, Rainbow 92.4 FM, Rainbow 92.4 FM, and then the met try pass it, met me control, Yama come, come, yeah, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, Mammy share, Mammy go off my many and Ben and question come to China and I feel, yeah, and she be ever 5 million so it is free. Once again, the name still me, and after to Jagu OPD the second. Hello, Uncle Ben, good morning.
Hi, good morning, OPD.
Yeah. Uncle Ben Pacho, what to say?
Adumo, what's me can?
And with the hop, papa, I said, now, Quancy Fufu, and Baba Kumpunim, and with the hop,
I don't pay the Yichia, Yichia, Dr. Mark, na pump for OPD. Yichia, say, you didn't come watch it over 1 month for any. Na Yichia Ghana for you now, more UK. Or 1 month na no pay say nyamia adom amaya sorry na me hu say ene wutiri hwe ne yesronko nti ni nyina ne ma akoso yi nti ndi aseda e be ma twede ampom nyame yeda wona obeka ye ho sesei say mo ama ba join ye no Rainbow Radio omo DAB eno ye radio a wo ka mo kra utimitie ana Rainbow Radio ankasa nso e wo Facebook na nya wo ho a oko BWF Solicitors, your Facebook, and I YouTube, and I will call www.bwfsolicitors.com. Now I'll call resource, videos, say, oh, I stream live. Now, and then come on, you know, I strong co. Now, say my own video that my church, the Ecoso, and Kola, ya warm or how papa mo, I British passport, I'm more, and then me no can say. Yeah, GF Lomunsem. Aman Kola na dodo na me no kase for the past me fast about 1 month. Adwuma me di no me buy ya me hu say passport for the email aba. Ya challenge omo a omo church omo brofo a yesu ye be yi omo no. Na the cost ne say ma titiru na mabewo na ebia obewo a na o boyfriend na one no twin boyfriend no na waje passport ama back because it has only a British and now no indefinite leave and our settled status. Tinanka ya makola no British passport. And they and tisa almost started frefremo. Yeah, you see, for Webra, interview, upia ya ne atwa say obana passport ya Jeffrey nsem. Also was sitting on obana ntini de ma nti no nso no ma Jeffrey nsem. Obi ho ana afi kra no apply for passport no. Ne ya juso na ne ya popo ya ni akire no. Girl ba ko akọ na sen ade. Upia ya na ne brother friend me say girl na susa adan a o se upia ya o se kwaku ya chimi o se ya chiwo se den o se makoka no kra na no kra ba na wakoka or say wako catch from Sakola ne papa no sign passport na nye ne papa na ayo bi no abesama no enti OPD anope me pese me bie community na ni kakra na yenya very careful ehame be brave because omo letter bi omo atwara ba say no she say to huhuru sem na intutu sem ye betu ebo ase respond because ye de mra na ye adwuma enye grammar enti OPD we na me de pese me de to na start ya na ya updates na niema ewo ho na ya kekanka
Angber we dia wa sha simple yie pa na ene ma mema mfa nto so pre kuna wa so anu die na chese so to so na bibia so tumi konkofo bio ma so kakra kra o kan kwa is obi tifi o se ede na koi Angber fa ye to so wa dawro ma na de we nkomo na ekon de be de pa na ye hu bebe be sha se fi wa dawro ma ye ntiu
yo OPD and first of all I'm Sir Charles and me ba Frank and me mamienu Annie and Pamela and me ba nkasa ndo ye me nkasa Eunice for the past way a mini hoi me hu so maso machi nti aseda kase update no somebody ni nyina bram sisi I mean update because the topic we people ti they be come straight. First of all, I'm say Charles at the Abramo say abano the trimopo and say or the indefinite leave we be 10 years. Now if we be a friend and citizenship. And also or more de ba say indefinite ni automatic. And new automatic naturally say British citizen no so new automatic. Na yɛsesɛ no na ɔmo bɛhwɛ sika a munya na yɛhwɛ abrabɔ a wabɔ no kurom ha wo time a wɔde akyɛ ɛna wo suban ɛne area a wɔde baa ha nti careful de mo na mo da aseɛ koraa yɛsɛ mo ho hia nti mo no deɛ yɛsɛ mo bɛkɔ 10 years but at the moment no ɔmo yɛ consultation yɛn nyinaa nim deɛ ɛkɔ so labour bleedi conservatives bleedi na Jafara Jomba aban mu da ɔno no ne papa sikani ɔkɔ Dulwich school ofiri hɔ no kɔ university ofiri hɔ no kɔ yɛ adwuma wɔ city na wɔnyɛ sika bebree ti abrabɔ na bi mu abobɔ bebree no
onfa bi mu da
ɛyɛ a no aka gye agum ana ɔmo so sesi a ɔmo ho kyerɛ ɔmo nti asɛ ɔmo respond ɛne na ɛde saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa aba but yɛwɔ anko adeɛ bibi ba a yɛde bɛto dwa na yɛbuebu ani deɛ mepɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ topic a yɛde aba yɛsɛ understanding why your child's British passport may be cancelled or refused, and then helpful steps you can take. Tiene no ye pesa yete asie dientia obano British passport. Ya je free ni se ana ya mfa mma no. Na den na wo be ya emma ne sa. Enti mesrɛ mo amaba so dada no. Better say wo be ma obi abetie bi because sɛ wo ma ne betie a ɔno no te asɛm na sɛ na nkɔyɛ sɛ obi na wafrɛ no ɔka akyerɛ no nti sɛ nka wobɛtumi a sɛ ɛyɛ Facebook anaa ɛyɛ YouTube no wobɛtumi ahyɛ ama no na ayɛyɛ first of all yɛse akɔlaa papa ɛne hwanea yɛnkaa ne maame o because ne maame deɛ apart from ɔmo yɛ human fertilization ebi ɔbaa foforɔ na ɔnyem ama no akɔlaa maame yɛ ne maame and there in him say controversy be ni ho because yem akola ni free ba na akola papa ene hwania say ye ba British citizenship and a British citizen why na o ye British citizen na emra no ye de free hi ana ye de beka he why mo na eka won ana why mo na enka won enti mo ma men started Yenim say 1948, the law be by a friend of British Nationality Act. Almost the same kakra. Almost the same 1981. Almost the same no and then so be brave by a yɛbɛka sɛ akwalaa papa ɛne ne maame ekum. Akwalaa papa ɛna ne maame kum. Na since then no nneɛma bebree aba. Human fertilization aba, fertility treatment aba, surrogacy aba. Human Rights Act aba 1997. Ama case bi kopie High Court. Ama court no ka kyerɛ Home Office sɛ akwalaa papa ɛne ne maame kum. Na sɛ ne maame kum no sɛbe ontwa na ɔbaa no kotwa n'akyi na ɔne obi kɔwo a wopa kyerɛ sɛ papa no ɔne na kɔwo no ɛnyɛ ne ba ne akwalaa na
ɛnyɛ ne yes
ana Home Office saa na tie enti court no ka kyerɛ no sɛ dɛ enti 2006 almost sesa law the almost sesa law no sɛ akwalaa bia yɛwo no after July 2006 no wo papa ɛyɛ wo papa sɛ wo maame ɛnware ya wo papa ɛyɛ wo papa yɛ bɛrima a sɛbe ɔne wo maame enya biribi ayɛ a wenyin sɛ na wo maame awo ɔno na ɔyɛ wo papa ɛhɔ no na ɛnɛ ɛma mmaa na ɔmo yɛ single ɔmo wo a na ne boyfriend no ɔsi okay wo deɛ ɔdo sɛ na mempɛ sɛ wobɛwo no wo deɛ wonya wo awie a mɛgye British passport na ma me ba no na wafele form na ɔde kɔ na nka yɛde ama no na yɛfrɛ law bi yɛfrɛ no British Nationality Proof of Paternity Regulation 2006 wɔn sɛ meka 2006 law under British Nationality Act yɛfa section 11 ɛne section 59A 1 2 na yɛkɔ regulation na mebɔ din a ɛyɛ 2006 regulation almost san sesa saa regulation no 2015 na ɛhɔ ana dodoɔ na ɔmo yɛ mmaa no ɔmo wo a ɔmo mma no nya saa tumi ni free section 59A of the British Nationality Act na yɛhwɛ section 59A na wokɔ 4 na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛse akwalaa papa ɛne papa a yɛwo akwalaa no ne din aba birth certificate no so sɛ ne maame ɛnware ya ana ɔmo sesan ana ɔmo sɛ akwalaa papa ɛne akwalaa enti yɛwɔ 4 no yɛwɔ ne maame kum yɛwɔ akwalaa a yɛayɛ human fertilization akwalaa a aban no wakyerɛ ɛkwan bi enti ɛnɛ yi sɛ wo maame nware wo papa na yɛwo a sɛ ɛnyɛ ne kum because ɔnware no na ɛyɛ number 3 number 3 no yɛ den ɔsɛ deɛ ɛkwan a aban akyerɛ ɛkwan bɛn na aban akyerɛ ɛkwan mmiɛnsa 1 birth certificate 2 court order 3 DNA test enti mmaa dodoɔ naa no sɛ ɔmo nware bɛrima no a ɔmo ba number 3 number 3 no nso yɛakyɛ mu 3 enti ɛyɛ 3 3 3 the first part 59A ɛyɛ 3 59A no ɛde wokɔ section 2 and 3 of the British Nationality Proof of Paternity Regulation 2006 as amended by 2015 regulation. Ɛhɔ nso yɛ 3. Saa 3 nim no nso, wosan hwɛ a aban number 3 no, wasan bubum ayɛ ne 3. Enti ɛyɛ 3 3 3. Then na ɛyɛ last 3. Ɛhɔ ana mmaa no ɔmo nya ɔmo power free. Last 3 ne sɛ ɛkwan a aban akyerɛ. OPD. Ɛyɛ kakra a mede law no bɛto hɔ. Law no yɛ big complex. So one connecting it to 2006 na wɔn ti aseɛ. Enti na memfa to hɔ no. Ɔse sɛ wowo ba na wonware bɛrima no a ɔne akwalaa no awɔ no a sɛ bɛrima no a ɔne akwalaa no woyɛ no sɛ ne din wɔ birth certificate ne so a ɛyɛ akwalaa no papa. 2.
Okay.
Anaasɛ wakɔ court ama court ayɛ order sɛ akwalaa no ne papa eni. 3. Anaasɛ wayɛ DNA. Enti OPD sɛ me ɛyɛ ɔbaa anaa sɛbe mabɛhyia girl bi wɔ ha na sɛbe ɔne me atwempena kakra na manware no ba wawo na me ne no yɛ trupu you call Haringe birth registry. I could true na usu me na me papa me na je because my oba na oba no nso assign me mete Essex oba no nso te Birmingham my ye me say okay akwi atene wa yemfa akola ne yenje British passport ba no ma sign na wo be ka kire me say me na usu ya me na me se me ye papa ya makọ sign nema miensa na aban de aba no me di so ba wo pese wo kire me say da bi wo no wonji ntum say ye me a then na wo a wo ye passport office no wo gina de a kire wonji ntum eno na meba eno na eye big problem a mehu a me pese na yeso ano no enti nye na fact say mimidin no e wo so no the fact say nieme bi wo ho a omo hu a eninti omo nji ntum say me na me ye papa OPD Mr. Mo anu meka twi nko a menka brofo because intelligence ayenya the first one Ghana for na more report to a man yenu Ghana for more report to a man na omo ne mema wo no more report to ama home office ne passport office papa na okosa ade na enya ne ba me wo letter da ha say oba last week oba ha obi fi Ghana ba ogene tena to kwasi yo muntem emu ana one de woe ana ne boyfriend sign ma akola oba na one na nya ntokwa na afi osi ontum free ni fie no oba na free passport office aka kire om se papa na ni din da akola ne birth certificate anya ono no ye papa British passport for Afrima me no ane papa no oma yo mu interview omu twa 100% say still twa letter ni say obi afra ya ka kire se anyinti yeso yenjindi come on passport office then I will hindi nipa na o twa ntra kire because oni obi ku no ono nseku na odi a kire na unjindi ana wo bibi 2 Mr. Watwem planda na wo mpra no ne din ye wode na wo da so do no na wakohia ba ma foforo na wo ne na wo a Mr. wo mpra na wo twen ya ne din ye wode a wo da so do no no Mr. wo memma ne din pie e wo ba bia wo behu abna menu oni kwaku yauta no atwem pla 2023 oni ni jai abna menu akohia yaw aye British one na wo abna menu ekotwere benedin no wakofa kwaku menu edin ahye middle Daniel kwaku menu na ode ne boyfriend no surname aka adan no bi na say no mo ye no mo hui me ba ba kire ode o ye o mo hui obi a owo bank account we bie financial we bie monzo we bie de mo bie ni nyina wo bibi ye friend digital footprint enti ye friend na wusu OPD ni me ne una tifie me ye illegal oba no nso ye illegal but OPD ye British me ne utifie no me wo monzo account also wo monzo account OPD atine baby ono ye nti but OPD no ne wawo wodi me atwem Canada ba ye jai se wo na we one family din a me ye wo ex-boyfriend anhye so na wo di OPD din hye so a omo kọ wachi ekohwe wo credit file o credit file na omo hwe no mimi din awo so because me wo monzo account wo din a wo te ye nyina ye high one bedroom no be so me wo ho e bi kra me no na fi Ghana buy say ye student dependent wo buy wa be jame but o credit file show say that so tifi enti kwa interview no wunimu wako wo shared accommodation mo ye for na wo ho obi otifi obi a ebe bisa madam mpacho ye hu se papa bi ti ho ye friend OPD mpacho ye hwane a ma no obi wa no nya we na tu na ye de no hu se me ex boyfriend no oda so tifi obi Mr. Pa ebiom Ukotro akola din ko register akola wo the address gu so. Address na wo di gu so no, e bia na your ex-boyfriend bi address. Wotena ho. Minim die nti a ma no address a onni kura no akofa gu birth certificate no so. Ni nyina e the suspicion eba. Now the biggest suspicion eye edin na amudi tuatua middle no. Edin na nya wuwudin. Ana enye o boyfriend na woni din. Na say din ni efri hi ana abehim. Minim se Ghana ye tu din a yetime di ye matoto. Sabe me ye friend usu. Me chiriba akuyatene wa. Ono na chiriba e friend no say. Ono nso chiriba e friend no champon. Ono nso chiriba ka chiri e friend no say tu. To be who say your surname no, all those say officially no, the same no. But your din out, your different no, you're the same.
You're the same, yeah.
So we name or say to call na or the say to no share medala. Now I'm for Usuna and Kahua. Still no a din because said to my papa ne grand uncle a din and a champon my papa ne grand uncle and your last born also. Yeah, the netro Nana Konedu Ajima Rollins, ne uncle, because I papa have a step brother. Enti, meso me won kola ya di o matome. Enti, oba mo ha na ko Ghana. Ya won kola ya from Benadusu. Omo papa anye Benadusu. Enti ye culture no, allow for sane. But the problem you want to say, you explain this anima. Akuyai, Miss Ochim Pana, na Onya ho eje British passport ma obana. Miss plano penetra coin. Ehino fee. Dabe no ba kromo ha. Waware, owompna, owomma, ehinote. Oyede no nya nkrata. Because I will call interview now. Some questions we nyina no omu bisa. Enti se wentimi emia wani antete saa question yi mu a na e could create problems. Finally, me pesa meka ansa na ye bie na ya questions. Meka 333. Last 3 eye DNA. DNA aban say nye compulsory. In fact, aban ankasa agye atum sɛ mmara biara ni hɔ a ɛma home office kwan anaa passport office kwan sɛ yɛmbisa ɔbaa for ɔne ne ba ana ne ba no papa DNA. But me sɛ letters ɔmode brɛ mo no mfa anɔpa deɛ da m'anim sisi a me ready ɔmo atwerɛ mu sɛ yɛbisa ne sɛ ɔbɛyɛ di daabi home office wonni ho tumi sɛ ɔbɛbisa obiara sɛ ɔbɛyɛ DNA. In fact, home office mmara ne say sɛ obi sɛ ɔnyɛ DNA a wontimi mfa so ɛmfa refuse no because yɛn ne tumi sɛ ebi sɛ obi a DNA. Enti ne korakora ne sɛn ne korakora ne sɛ 1 wo hyia bɛrima na wo ne no anyam na wo yɛ illegal anaa wo ba ha as obi yere na wo ne nipa no agyae na wo kɔwo a nipa na wo ne agyae no mɛmma ne din ɛmma baabia sɛ wo de hyɛ akwadaa ne din. 2 Wone wo mpena bi agyae na ne din yɛ wo de anaa wo da so dɔ no mesrɛ gyaa ne din no to baabi mɛmfa ne din no ba. 3 Minim sɛ mmaa bi wɔ hɔ a sɛbe ɔba no papa koraa wonim sɛbe yɛyɛ lɔyafoɔ yɛn kasa bebree bɛyɛ nim paa sɛ wofa Ghana ni ɔbaa ɔwo a 70% yɛyɛ DNA a ɛyɛ positive 30% ɛnyɛ negative ɛnyɛ obi na ɛka kyerɛ me. That is what I know. Why it is so I don't know, but my main park here no side answer. Enti sɛ wo boyfriend bi na ne din yɛ wo de na wo kɔwo na wo de ne din kɔhyɛ middle a home office and a passport office wo investigation a ɔmo yɛ ɔmo timi hu sɛ what date bɛrima wei da ɛni nti na wo de ne din akɔhyɛ middle no. Mesrɛ wo ɛfra wo interview a mentutu mmirika nkɔ pɛ lawyer ideally pɛ Ghana ni lawyer. Mesrɛ wo meka sɛ pɛ lawyer a menka sɛ kɔpɛ obi a obi ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer. Pɛ lawyer a aban sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer a ɔyɛ solicitor anaa ɔyɛ barrister anaa lawyer a aban ɛde ne nsa ahyɛ aseɛ mesrɛ mo paa yɛsi obi yɛ lawyer mon check ni din wɔ internet so because dodoɔ no anyɛ lawyers ana Ghanafoɔ ato wɔn lawyers ana ne nti no ato ne sei a wei na akɔyɛ very technical issue no onim deɛ nti a yɛfrɛ wo meyɛ post bi obi bɛyɛ comment wɔ ase ɔsɛ lawyer asɛm a wokan deɛ sɛ mmara no ɛyɛ old one a meka nam sɛ krakye woamu nte mmara no ase tie deɛ yɛka no yie saa 333 no ɛno na mɛka no maybe position as a lawyer no mesi home office ntimi control biara sɛ ɔnkɔyɛ DNA law biara nni hɔ a home office bɛgyina so sɛ wokɔyɛ DNA there's no law na sɛ there's no law a why say home office gyina so ɛde refuse wo ba passport anaa ɔde passport ama na ɔde agyina afiri wo sɛ wei nyinaa akyi no ɛnyɛ patapaa yɛde mmara ɛm sɛ ɔka meyɛ old vanda nti sometimes no kasa bi wɔ hɔ a yɛyi so yɛse patapaa pioto yɛde mmara na yɛde rɔ patapaa pioto yɛde mmara ana yɛde rɔ nti home office ɔmo patapaa pioto no a ɔmo afa ahyɛ no yɛde mmara ana yɛde rɔ nti OPD ɛnɛ wei na mede ma sɛ question wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtake
Okay. So right live on Rainbow 92.4 FM. Me ankasa na mate shock. Nsamni bi kwa ma wotia na wate shock. Sɛ wankasa wo nua paa na ho hi sɛ yɛ hi wo sɛ ya ho ya wo sɛ di na so makotwa watum. Enya fine. Enya fine. Ma me mfa ho ntum na so blem ba kyerɛ wadwina. Ebia na wo bibi pɛ sɛ wo bisa lawyer. Ana sɛ ebia wo bibia won so pesa order to so abusia number is na 0208 2260 484 0208 2260 484 0208 2260 484 WhatsApp line is 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 and a WhatsApp line with me wajenchire area faso yebek kan area mo pa na bibia setumi aye kama ebusia medi edina na to jego opiri de second na ne maji pinia mene BWF Solicitors yetwetwe nkoma na nka ben ebibi nsam so de ache na ende in fact nkoma na yetwetwe no me ankasa na ma boto but all the same na ma me kwa homaso na fire first corner na yene twetwe nkoma. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, no PD.
Yeah, black people, Pacha, what is it?
I'm not doing them, but I'm Pacha.
I don't know those who some name me go as a Pacha radio and cover to me, do number me and I can cast phone so I don't know why. I mean, sure.
Pacha, you
powerful. Uncle Ben 8 you, Pacha, may ain't you. Why?
Yo, Uncle Ben, Pacha, good morning.
Good morning.
Uncle, you're sure, Naboko, dear.
Adumo.
Yeah, then, maybe I'll call a Hoboko, dear.
Adum, Omunyina, so much chiamo.
Ejobiaso. Uncle, me Pacha, Yenuanum, you na, almost are retaining almost right now. Retain right of you, dear no. Unya retaining writer. Will you be back to appendix you now say appendix FM? I want to know after you've retained your right now.
Pacho, so we retain our right now our pre-settled status still under EU. So we retain our right now unya settled status. Bibia we be under immigration rules. But may I explain? So what worry obi now when the panel na oko na ma o asetena ye de ama wo no wo hunti na ye de ama under EU law na EU law no ended so wo pese wo worry obi na okofa wo baba ye the British law na ye but so wo da so worry nipa na de a okofa wo baba na ye the EU law na ye
You my uncle me that's part of Israel.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, yeah, that's the part. I think so. What about me? I'm quite fire next call. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Brother, in fact, over to me, Pajao, and the mamma Kakana say, a phone power.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, Patrick.
Nyamia do muda hopa. Uncle Benty, Patrick, into it.
Hello, Uncle Ben.
Morning.
Patrick, morning. Me so, master man is person you can say. You will come now. What be kind man 10 years old. And I'm and also no man 5 years. 5 years no the man. It will be November, no. But 2.5 from the man is being 5 years later. And main chance am I any injustice na say me I injustice.
Mpacho, what's na visa na so for how many years?
But now over 10 years.
No, visa. Your visa, no first one. No.
First one, okay. You find the first one, first 2.5. Now me
Yes. And since then, what's na visa na so for how many years?
my travis and so over 5 years.
5 years.
Patrolling.
And 5 years, no. You the first, who call 5-year route. First one, you the how many years ni?
But your first one, almost kind of man. I'm 10 years.
Yeah, minimum. But actually, what's a called 5-year route?
If you're China, it's for 5 years. 5 years now. But
5 years. I didn't know meaning so pentamania indefinite. But my fellow one could waste you, Sika. First of all, you're 2.5 years under 10-year route. It is that 2.5 years under 10-year route, you know. Actually, was your application and they call 5-year route. It is the way do first 2.5 years under 10 years and counter towards the 5 years. Oko apply for indefinite, ombisum 3038. Ombisum, omubia no masan atwere say kutua 2000 actually as IHS because won't qualify. Enti you've now 2.5 years under 5-year route. Now we say we did 5 years also, and so now we indefinite. I just said.
When you're 5 years, no. When you're 5 years, no, 5 years, no, but the man.
Okay. Dabana Yamal first 2.5 under 5 years.
I'm on man, you know. I think 2020 no more kind of no man.
I know you 5-year route, no.
Under 5 years route, yeah.
Okay, so what the 5-year route under 5-year route there? What's so indefinite? Why?
I'm to me apply for indefinite.
That's correct. Yes.
Oh, okay, me that.
You answer that.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's the power. Young Kwahmas, young Fire, next caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Papa, you know what to say?
Patrol,
yeah, then I see me tell voice, and I just a Christmas, them new one, be Diana. I'm not sure. Uncle Ben 8 year, young Quay. Why?
You, Uncle Ben, really, what that room, with the Sapane, on church, yeah, or church, and say, Matamu, na Michi, a training gear pa, or for immigration, and some more. Uncle, what that room, really, the semester. Just say, Anka, me person, me bawa sway, and I say, me bed me no but you chunk more, oh, Kukumua. I call that woman. A bread brain and commit to me in your me patcho, or that woman.
Patcho, offer your officer 0208 493
849
7340.
0208493
7340.
7340. You.
But repeat number. No. I am Baha. So sorry, Oba, but Tenasa. I was so book once and Baha. Yeah, extremely busy. Extremely busy. One frayer, Oba, Tenasa. One hair cry. But would I repeat numbers? No, mammy, be why?
Patcho. That's it.
No, numbers, no,
yeah. Yeah, but Uncle Ben say numbers not the man. Can we repeat him and why now? Who say number not the man?
I tell you, 020-849-37340. Me bacho.
Okay, Mr. Ofra, man, Obi Ofra, no, I press it 3 because of person name in Kasa. Mr. O press it 3, maybe an client to Memfa. To Ofra, press it 1. Now, encore your front desk, no more. Why? To press Ofra, number options never man, press it 1. Menko press it 3. Why?
Me bacho you, Mate.
Okay.
Me bacho Mate.
Right.
Yo, me that's it. Yo.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that's the part. So 0208 2260 484 020 82260 484 077 number say the age. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oba pana to say. December. December we are to say. Yeah, then I say na page won't do mama kakra na matter one the eye. Yeah, me sure pa. Uncle Ben so it you na yenti we whatever.
But you may pretend to be lawyer say me about application EU dependent. Na a check lawyer no a refusal by and a year appeal. But I check for 2 years. Mentation. And I feel some patrol. Me, why you? And I'm Mr. Sonomiro, a bill next year. And now for economy relationship now in my father divorce. And also so divorce will be January. January almost a final divorce. In the budget because me Ghana situation in French then a paper.
What's Obana there? Obano appeal.
Appeal in Pachuan. I check a copy.
Obi Obaya appeal now we divorce.
The Pachuan say.
Obi Oba aya appeal a original Eunice no ana wo ye divorce. Adan
This Pachuan the thing is that we no tokwan ni adin no.
Ohima Mpacho.
My son is there.
Frey office why? O ye big mistake. O say obi bia. Frey office no be more. Why?
Mr. Me no more can kasa.
So only the kaga sa adan I was on radio.
Na me no more can na kasa but me back.
And to San Francisco, why officer oncophobia or me who screen so be our officer. To San Francisco no be more. Why?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a part. Is there a can kind of office in that only among them come on board? Why now? You are saying to me, come. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Papa, I want to say.
But yes, I don't book.
But I don't know those bon something may go as and I put your tiano.
Uncle Ben, Yami Shira will be said, wow, the bois, yeah, Yami Shira. The pattern and the question is in the same Uncle Ben say. They were 2.5 years. Now, the application, Mamma Ba. Never come here in the street, but let me take a someone intermediate 2.5 years. The application about me year ye this funny be man. But a man come in be account and man. Let me be say meeting deny as me dependent or me account on this one.
There be obia wo kromo ha bia o ye nipa bia o so nya separate e-visa. Ada na ma wo bie ma no. Wo koso ada na bisa wo.
Me ba to me ye wo bie wo ya se wo ya account na me de akola ne date the details be shewa. Na Aisha kwese wa ye oya akola anti ma me kwan ma me ntwa so. I don't know.
No. Obi no mo a why? I was so obia ya na de. Nti obi no mo a why?
Me ba cho you me dance bebre nya me share.
Yeah, me sure also na dia also the buy na yen kwa homa so no yen san ni another caller. Anko de chunkomo. Hello, good morning. Yeah, another an hofa no what to say.
Because Nyame adumo na so
Nyame adumu o voice we che say one coffee ana Eka. Yeah, Uncle Ben, it's you. I mean, the would make you. Yeah, no.
Uncle Ben, Pacho, good morning. Pacho,
Good morning.
maybe so couple 5 years ago, my husband Eware no many obi but the make not necessarily send me a year, but for the sake of a year, not many obi
Wouldn't be.
what a Eunice
What do you mean?
the passion maker won't
Powerful. The what kind of what say confidential, not what I will ma.
the person actually said to me has not many mama that time means my husband no day no birth certificate so
Okay.
but akwani any obi no a boyfriend at that time. Me person me kwaji akra no mano me British passport naturalization me mano. Me papa na ye DNA say ni bano no. Actually, na person bisa say be problem ana.
Mpacho, wasem no na wo pa kire se wo ya na waware.
Exactly.
Na okay, nipa na waware no no ya British na de one no wo ya no.
Nipa na maware no ono na ni dinwo akwan birth certificate because na me na ewo ho no mo.
Okay, ba wo ba na nkasa de aye be ma foforo na wone ne nyinsen.
Nipa chawai.
Enti akola na ya British. Under your law no.
But
No
I
one
don't
say
yet.
okay, nti se ne papa na ya ne papa na ne moja papa no. Se ono peso gina akola na so a e wo so ye DNA why?
But I shall say, to me passport, na me pesa me Germana, and na me bisa say, birth certificate na me papa din this, does it really matter? Because me name say here papa ne consent. Do I need the consent of the dad? I think I'm complicating things.
O pesa o je dan ma wane a.
But I shall say,
Dan na o pesa o je. O so pesa o ji bibi ma obi.
me pesa me ya kra ne passport emano. But me
And
name
akola no
say
passport
application
say
no.
petimi aye. Dan na esi kwan.
Okay, I saw say application no me here ni papa din ni na dia was so details also.
Say ne papa no ne papa no o birth certificate no so.
Ni papa no ni edi ni birth certificate ni so. De na me ne ware ni
Yeah, I'm saying what complicated you be brave. First of all, you were UK. Sana Krobia won a law, no, UK so won a law. So what worry now war Obano say ya ne papa ni hukum ananya ne papa. Law ne say ya ne papa ni hukum. So bema foforo enko ye DNA, enko sesa de ono ni din emma akola no so a. Ne papa ni hukum. Ti wo ye passport no na ibisa o sa akola ne papa ne wane a. Ne papa ani hukum. Because ono na ne din wo birth certificate no so. So the din birth certificate no so kra law say ono na ye wo ne papa. Enti ye no se bibi say si a eye positive ma papa na ne moja ne akola because ono ni bia ne ba na ye ono ni moja no because na wo waware obi no akola no enya British passport. Enti oba no ye British dada. Ti obetimi apply for passport ama. Basa dachi bia ne papa na ono na wo gidi say ne papa no so koye DNA no they call birth registry na ye di ni din eba birth certificate ne so na che say in future no wo ye application wo de ono mu na ni din beba so until then no ne papa eye wuku na wo ye na wo ware no because wo de obi foforo ko hye so a ye be reject the application no because birth certificate no eho one omo asisi sema omo de ye wo wanya advantage wa ha no obeka che so omo fa details na wo birth certificate no na oba foforo won ware ko ya so birth certificate ne ye suspect say nya be ma no because meka law be a friend of section 59A of the British Nationality Act ɛno na defining akwalaa papa ɔsɛ akwalaa papa number 1 ɛyɛ ne maame kun sɛ ne maame ne kun a akwalaa a yɛwo ne through fertilization bɛrima no produce ne sperm no yɛde fertilize egg no sɛ ɛno ni hɔ a ɛyɛ secretary of state mmara a wahyehyɛ mmara bɛɛ no wahyehyɛ mmara under section 2 and 3 of the British Nationality Proof of Paternity Act 2006-2015 ɔsɛ papa a ne din wɔ birth certificate no so anaa papa a court sɛ ɔyɛ papa anaa papa a wayɛ DNA enti ɛhɔ no nyinaa no de prove sɛ ɔyɛ papa no ɛyɛ wukun no why ɛyɛ very complex ɛyɛ good thing ma yɛn nuanom mmaa no a ɔmo wɔ ha no a ɔmo ne hwee no ɛyɛ trick a ɛno nso boa mmaa no but to sɛ wo say na wo sɛ sisi ama wayɛ confused enti wo ba no papa ɔnto sɛ mo bɛyɛ DNA akɔsesa no ne papa ɛne deɛ na wɔware no why
I'm saying, what drop a cry, yeah. To the no what. Okay. Yeah, my main question was some family next caller na. Mr. Ramo, obet me afraid, and you ever course in na. You ever course in until pass our friend bia. Yam pick or call. Mr. Robert me afraid, ever pick or call me and one casa. My main question was many caller when casa. Hello, good morning. But I want to say.
But so yeah, go find out number some so.
Nyame adom na wo voice in the wo for mama power da ma.
Me pa so afede.
Wetumi twa ho kakra bi dan ho kakra fi mpa no so na send fom na me hwade.
Me tare dan ho so na ye ejuma.
Ayaka o ye rade. Wo tare dan ho okay, wo de me hwɛ sa anka ben beto nka ma minti.
The pastor not question we can and try and make topic no but I'm going to answer say for not switch from 10 years about 5 years
voice Edding pass but obetumi asan afra bi mu wada wo mana afra bi mu na yen mente kra wa afra bi mu na men peko ne yen kasa wada wo mana yen shiro pass what am I say hello good morning hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, OPD.
My name is wako time profile. I show voice and with the upper. Now, what is it?
I want this new boy raise your mobile now.
I give it you. I know we do it here.
I'll be the Uncle Ben. Uncle Matia, why?
I hear it at the same.
Na opini bato watumenga
meto nka bla pe meto nka papa
okay ado pe me bwan tena ati so be busu mene ka trade na em se de me duma ko mano I think so ni pakro ka sa pass na e ko e se de wati ati aduma ne tero anya sam titwa ntino ene abato bode na me de bono na mabo lawyer Frank Papato na mabo omo aka no nyina abaso na maka kire bini na foro e besere omo ato be fidie no so tam na ya work enye si bia ya na obe bi agro me dia me na 15 years la jume bia de kwa me dia mano adwuma na endinya anya de ankoso ama me sadia me pe nti me ka kire bi nua no Ghana fo no atam ya no mo ni na na tukuru ni pocket lawyers ne kono se be ya o munya o koko e bi paro be bi awu bia no ya wote Uncle Ben ka na wa miya wani na wa ja de wo ye na wapo na kwa ho Uncle ya dasi meneme eneme masoso eda wasi e adwuma pa hoye Francis Entry one yeyire matuda dako eda wasi adwuma yefu ina islam
Francis bedasi bebre o voice there eno ani udin enti o start ya na me hu yi ampa yesaya chepa research now also in papa nti yen koso na yen nye adwuma ma community no why
Let us see.
So, Oyade. So, Oyade pa, Oyade. Because why promise him class at Christmas on me and be so Oyade.
Would they have right?
Fantastic. I mean, sure, Pane, won't yes, yeah. Okay. Yakwa Mose, next call and continue. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Pastor, I feel what
Mo sisi ade mu da ye jama one of you got ana is good we ma ba no mo it you
nam so there insurance fund topic no nam ibu say nipa no 10-year route na what to about 5-year route no or the visit in the buy and it was a 2 to 5-year route no by now until my white paper na cut obi realm illegally and I said so the visit in the buy and I said even sir a route not only indefinite now over 15 years and I said no a 5-year route now
ohene fa white paper bia mai ade a yede aba consultation no the ekira ne se omo to obadwen enti wo no link no wo ho wo pese wo kotwiro bia ko na kotwiro bi first of all one fa kwan paso na ba ya omunya ji tum na wo koje wasetena yede to 10-year route a wo 10 wo switch ba 5 years a wo 5-year route at the moment yen sesan ba omo pese omo sesan enti menya sure say ebeye ne na ye china very likely ebia ene no mde be show mo manifesto for the next election which is in about 3 years time ti ye nyina ye nya otwen the only thing I make an say men twentwen so wo ya application a fa kwa paso na ye ade a mehu no I started having pocket lawyers bia omo de skilled worker visa ba ye twa mo visa ni ma no makoye EU application no mako fake birth certificate na nipa na ya ban for 10 years mama ya very careful so when this car we call lawyer ho a okay ubetimi akọ citizens advice bureau ombeboa but say when this kantino wo kọ ne nam quack lawyers ho no de mesremo mama ya very careful why na saadi we no wanya careful na o time na ya de ama o 10 years or say 5 years no na one fan call lawyer ho ntino na ama oniema bi akose yempese eto yen wo community end of the year na be nyame akura yen sane we kura yen for 11 months or yebira 12 months no uma yen kosenye ye niema ni yi na yentimi wi afi na afi a eba no yen start ni yi e wo kwampa so enti ohene for now no bibia ni ho sa enti monkoso nya mo niema pa monkoso nya charitable work monkoso volunteer Christmas yi monko join group na mama emrewa aduane no kotwitwi niemem e wo home pe home bi e wo area asore ye soup kitchen a ko join Ghana for ye nye charity ye mpe charity ye kra ye sika nyina ekoba bi foforo mama ye join good causes nya asore nko a good causes ye say bia wo donate to leukemia to prostate cancer to Alzheimer's group, to autism group bia na yemfa ye ho and for it. Na yenkoye because we new proposal on person de ba. Se watu ho ache na we voluntary worker. E ma credit etwa wasetena no so. Etimi you free 10 years de over 5 years. Enti moma yemfa ye ho nche. Yemfa ye ho nche. You're spending your time on very unnecessary stuff in seku ne niema alatafo call mani mo hwem putu alatafo tu ha okọ parliament omo wo ho civil service omo wo impenifo okọ local authority omo wo mfa Ghana fo nko ahoya oni nseku ne niema nti ye hye ase ho pa chaw ye nyina fi a ye bewura mu yi law no sesa wo de wo ho che na wo ye voluntary work account to us was setena no enti moma yemfa no so nsi ani so why that's okay
yen said as a pane kakla union so they am menko ahoma so menko family school hello good morning
Good morning, boss.
Yeah, now what is it?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, this is me.
My question back when I'm supposed to be a lawyer.
Tonight is what dodge median? What dodge median? With the lawyer, with the lawyer.
Kumari.
Okay.
Okay. My question is say my wife for old EU skilled worker we need so. I think that 1 year no when you're indefinite. And I say like maybe I'm or me need because wait me about inside the country and I say just a call. No, you're quite baby.
So wife nya indefinite na ebenim ana akola ida so no ne ba ana akola or qualified child. Difficult say obetimi aboa wa ha. Why?
Okay. That's it.
Okay. You said that's it. With Trinity, simple. Good morning.
Good morning.
Papa, you know what to say?
But now what's where?
I don't know those. No be anything. You met you say. Uncle Ben to you, Pacho. For you.
But some person Uncle Ben. Sir.
Me na me wo. But obet me peja wo ndem mukaka me wada wo mana yintiwie why.
Me Pacho yeah.
Muda ho papa.
That's it. Me na me wo 10-year route kama me nya me krata fufuro no. And me lawyer near or no yeah me or catch him so bit na switch by 5 into your switch by 5 no. And the time I may me final 2.5 years for 5 years no. Say no why mistake. Or no so who miss me and the time I we and I'm against me question definite na me ko na if you can say for catch me say me qualify and almost 50 reason I mean who says na second renewal for 5 years no so they call back to 10-year route no into on mommy to another sticker for another 2.5 now 2.5 no make calculate here next year June and legally many 10 years what I say but 2.5 no the mom a bewu 2027 it's number some lawyer Ben said meet me next year now may legally 10 years what I know meet me apply for indefinite now and I say me trainer we new ones for 2027 no
Obetimi aye indefinite when you're 10 years now. Obetimi aye indefinite no why?
But your lawyer.
Why?
Okay, and maybe be home next year. Maybe home na.
Obetimi aba next year, and I obetimi aba this year. The Okasa lawyer na ye mistake. Forms na ye fill for parent route 5 years and 10 years. No difference be any. Ain't mistake ben or yeah.
Or yeah, mistake. Time to make call back to 10-year route. You know so.
Ono lawyer no ntimi mfa wo nko 10 years route. Nti then na wo kasa ye mistake.
And because home of because later on I'm more catch him now. Me come realize me call her card no so no. Say no mama me different card. Man who.
One card there ye mistake no. Mistake ben almost say why and I will feel so yeah.
Almost can me call back to 10-year route no so many 5-year route no so.
Okay, we are English language, and so I will switch it to 5 years. Yeah, and once I hear English language, we'll provide the evidence that we are Jumano. Asa, bibia letter or lawyer throw you form the same. Nina ain't mean for actually. Into lawyer don't know what's our come out, but it's up to you between and a June difference. No, you're 6 months. Open so try between a train, but mean who say a mistake because. Form no your fixed form. It will be into a mistake. Once I will qualify under the law, I don't know almost share, and yet the lawyer no air. Why?
Yo, me better yo. No, mama, because last year I deal with me. Mama, me sent you another sticker for 2.5 for.
Sometimes no.
Maybe. Oman grant me indefinite. No, mama, me to another 2.5 sticker.
Okay, me asama o kan me hu say enya wo lawyer fault and also nya wo fault, a home office fault. Tinka no ane say wo lawyer no challenge, but why enya ba wie nti wo pa afa ne sa. Why?
Me pacho me be hu.
Martin.
Me phone number no ma be hu. Pacho.
Yo.
Me da say.
Okay.
I mean sure.
Okay, let me show so na okaka so the buy na yanko ahoma so na I think say yebefa yeah yebefa maybe 3 course bi aka na afini ye Pamela so akwa the ohon so good morning.
Good morning,
Yeah.
boss.
But what to say?
Chonyamiado. No, sir.
I don't know so pa bonsam nen me gwa say anke ben 80 wada o me yintie we.
Okay. Actually, na same visa. Actually, my application, parent of British child application. But me you know, I know my retain my passport. I'm not make a decision yet, but I'm gonna have my passport, you know. And I'm missing maybe sorry, say, is it possible say meet me a request a passport, you know? And what's the implication if I should request my passport, you know, whilst the application is ongoing? I'm trying to maybe sir.
Ohene we your application or not uni asset na wa.
But wasn't me had
Na we asset na.
So I'm in a sitting and batch on pepe.
Okay, e bia no ntia. O passport no to some grant wo no mo fa mba. Why?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make a decision every year.
I just want to make a decision every year.
I'm coming here. I have a verification. Been in a say be a request here possible.
Opa requesting so share. Why?
Okay.
Obet me
Okay.
request.
All right.
Why?
That's it. Okay. That's it.
Yo.
Okay. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Any the union so the eba no. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oba pa what to say?
Oh, nyame adome ho ye mpacho nso e.
Adom no do so bonsam ne nanim gu ase na radio bi si wonchen obetumi atam de ahye nsuo mamem ye ade obetumi de se nchen mamem
Mpacho ye.
nyame nhyira pa sa wa ye ne sa nsuo de anu ahye ye ade pa nke ben ti yenko
Okay, hello Uncle Ben. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho, what you saying?
Adumo.
We de nyame ase. We djuma pa obo edima ye nyame nhyira pa.
Yes, me
Yeah,
that's it.
Mpacho, me question is say, yeah, na me wo yi 10-year route under family e meje wo member. But me ka second. The third one no, me ye fee waiver. I'm refuse it twice and masa coma me lawyer near my yeah but almost consider but apart 6 months menti omonka into patrona maybe say bibi wo ha e betimi ya
Pacho, fee waiver na o ma refuse one answer then.
fee waiver no
Then you no refuse to
yeah no mo say me finances near you metimi etua but me dey me statement ne me normal ko kire wo nti almost be consider yeah and mama me MP so actual so be consider but me nyanti omonka
Oh, na o MP no try what's your application and na dey wo ho na.
I will try my side application being patron.
Enti why your application a train omo the results no beba. Why?
Me patron you, Mati.
Okay.
And secondly, yeah, my sister ba visit wahana we share obi oye EU ni na me bisa say obetimi na ware anase disoku fie.
Mpacho say EU ni no ni ba wa ha and I just kofi. Why?
Okay, Mati, yo, me that's it.
Okay, yeah, yes, yeah, that's it. Any the you mean sure oh yeah, your last caller. Obey your last caller. Now feeling according any Pamela Akwajichunkomo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, bro.
Bibi Awoko. Yeah, but you may do but maybe a voice make the way our car blow the next a winning swag. Oh, kafla. Yeah, no, what parents, Yana Kakaduna, I don't know one who better. Why? Yeah, you too, Uncle Benji.
Uncle Ben. Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, Ohima.
Last Uncle, when I'm afraid say me be oba or autistic now. Me amus me home family. Life in UK no me see and I'm refi. Because I'm about office. I still am home family. Come pesa me no kasa or phone so then kebi am about office. Then come be kita me. Inti me frɛ
Ohima.
office ampa cho me nya ono akasa na.
Ofra office. Oh, office na manko ade I was ofra. The was say you know can you know beka. The problem I want to say me extremely busy. Enti men from a direct line for office. Nketesia ne office for na wa no. Omo nyina ye equipped say ombeboa wo. Omo ntimi a ombebuku. Na kyerɛ ya lock me time na ma wo nko a sɛ na wo ho ɛwɔ yɛ mfasoɔ no nti no wobɛhu sɛ yɛalɔko me time na ma wo nko a na obi wɔ hɔ a ɔfrɛ a ɔbɛprɛse 1 ɔbɛtwɛn a na wakɔprɛse 3 me so prɛse 3 a nyɛ adeɛ a because ɛba me hɔ straight mɛfa because ebia na mehwɛ wo bi anaa metwerɛ document bi nti mesrɛ wo frɛ a na waprɛse 1 ai
Nti me nya wa ankasa uncle. One day
sɛ
then no
wopɛ sɛ wonya me a
wanu mu asɛm ankasa.
wobɛnya me ankasa nti frɛ office ai
No family yo. Me that's it.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, that's it. Me bon pa ese nkopon ma ho nto na wan kasa so na kɔ na bibia mbo. Why? Na bibia be kama.
That's
It. Ngi mi shiro pa se won so buy. Okay, so yeah, the offer for the besi ha callers in the besi ha na afi no. But men call back to BWF Solicitors omo akachi biom na afi no. Yankwe na yene sa Pamela wire clad na afi no. Yenti ono so poto kasa no mu na afi no. Yambla back to Uncle Ben na afi yemfa no mewie kwa. Anti Uncle Ben say Pamela wire clad yenti no na afi no. Yemfa bibia so embe wie.
okay.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Owusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on understanding why your child's British passport may be cancelled or refused and the helpful steps you can take. So, recently, we've seen a lot of people coming with the problem that their child's British passport has been cancelled and they've been asked to return the passport if it has been given to them. Some of them they apply for it and it's refused for the reason that they don't believe the child's father who is on the birth certificate is really the biological father of the child, and that the father was only put on the birth certificate for the purposes of getting a British passport for that child. So if you take a look at section 59A of the British Nationality Act, it says that the child's father is the husband of the woman at the time of the child's birth, or where a person is treated as the father of the child under the Human Fertilization and Embryology Act, either the 1990 version or the 2008 version, or where a person satisfies the prescribed requirements as proof of paternity. So this will then take you to the British Nationality Proof of Paternity Regulation 2006, which was then amended in 2015. And if you look at that act, it says a person is the father of a child if the lady is not married, if he's named as the father on the birth certificate 1 year within birth of the child, or if there are court orders, or if there is a DNA test that proves that that person is indeed the father of the child. So now it's not only the woman's husband at the time of the child's birth, is also somebody who is named as the father on the birth certificate. But then the Home Office are calling for a lot of interviews and are basing that to refuse or to cancel people's British passports. And when that happens, a lot of times there are mothers who are relying on their British children because their child's passport has now been cancelled. Their leave to stay in the UK too gets cancelled, and that leaves them with no leave to remain in the UK. So it is really not because maybe the child's father on the birth certificate is not really the father of the child, but there are some things that maybe the Home Office have done their investigation and they believe is was the father was just put on the birth certificate for the purposes of getting the British passport for the child. So, firstly, there are some instances where maybe you are with somebody and you have maybe a misunderstanding, or the person could be jealous or something, and the person can then report to the Home Office that your child's father is not really your child's father and that you only put that on there to get your child a British passport. So you have to be careful of maybe the people you're around, the people you tell the things to. It could be that somebody is just going to the Home Office to lie to them about who your child's father really is. And then when they call you for an interview, you could get all the answers correctly, you and your child's father. But just because somebody has reported to the Home Office, they might still not believe you and they will still cancel the British passport of your child. Secondly, if you have had a partner in the past and you are now not with a partner anymore, probably you have made an application using that partner's name before and now you are not with a partner. You were living together, you had bank statement jointly, maybe tenancy agreements, council tax, and you have submitted that once to the Home Office before. And now you have given birth with a different partner and you have used your old partner's name somewhere in your child's name. So it could be your child's middle name is that of your previous partner. The Home Office can do their own research and then find out that you have been with so and so person, and so your child's name being that of your ex partner is kind of suspicious because why are you using your ex partner's name for your child when that child is the child of somebody else? That could also raise questions, and then that could let them cancel your child's British passport. So please do not use your previous partner's name for your children's name, especially when you decide to put it in the middle because you think that maybe that's your way of being smart. Don't do it because it's not the best. It can flag up questions when they do their research and then they find out that you have been with this person before and now this person's name is part of your child's name. And also, please, if you are called for an interview, don't rush to go for the interview. Make sure you consult with a lawyer, and not just any lawyer. You have to make sure the person is a lawyer, not just an agent or somebody who has told you that, oh, go to this person, he's very good, he's a lawyer, and you are not sure who the person is. Please go and seek advice from a lawyer before you go to your interview, because of late they are really cancelling people's children's British passport. And if you are relying on your child for your leave to remain in the UK, if your child's British passport is cancelled, your passport, your leave in the UK can also be cancelled. And also, DNA tests are not compulsory. The Home Office do not have the right to refuse you just because you refuse to take a DNA test to prove that your child is the child of the man you are saying that's his father. There's no law anywhere that says the DNA test is compulsory and that they can refuse you just because you refuse to take a DNA test. A DNA test is voluntary. If you want to use that to prove that indeed that is my child's father, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, it's not compulsory, and they don't have the right to refuse you just because you decided not to take a DNA test. So I hope this helps all of us today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you so much, Pamela. Mami ko Uncle Ben one for BB Ambri, since the next program no be take over na afei no yeah so yeah sorry na yakọ ye ni but before me sorry so na say before me call Uncle Ben on BWF Solicitors to nsa frefro say bra na yemboa na impo Christmas we mpo de oh omo pie ma to omo se wa obeba no ye ombe hwe omo bibia kama nti bomode na hwehwe omo chi akwa na pay na for wasama na se wo hia de fokoto omo nim no omo ntime mboa na bibia so ntime kama pa cho hwehwe omo chi akwan e wo 4th floor and house 4th floor and house 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road, Seven Sisters. Or my postcode, I'll wait to me there locate them. So you'll be our drive here. Me patcho N15 4NP. N15 4NP. And your postcode, I'll wait to me at the allocate to my patcho for my 2 4 ways. I was 020 849 37 340 020 849 37. No, office layer from in fact, on Sabacamo on 10,000, maybe I said to me, I come on. Also, to me, after emergency number way 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 na offer no so a yebeje so na ye no atwetwe nkomo na bibia so tumi aye kama ma menkwe na mene Uncle Ben yen soro so na next program so embe take over na bibia so tumi kama Uncle Ben ma mentiewe fana na afi no yen sorry so wada ma
OPD say ye bue bibia ni kakra na afutu ne de ma obia normally so we say my fat topic bi na magina so a tese na me fa ka de na magina so for several months na say cause a lot of problems yem pese titiru yem ma na wa single parents ma no on be suffer to be sraw so was a issue bia men die bobo ana men tietie de nkrofo ka ko mo nye lawyers a very technical san American ano pay a yenya letter ba ko a utimi say omo ye all over the place enti aya deal say oba na or British and I feel I na British passport na won worry but the papa na your ex-boyfriend I wouldn't ni hope you Mr. One lawyer nkasa ya kasa one lawyer nkasa ya de a ye de emphasis egusu bebre because so one lawyer nkasa de ye hu ni say de wo be ye ni fitanse no problem ko ba na wo de bre lawyer kra na wa ye damage na dada ti one lawyer kasa obetimi aboa ana ye kan lawyer nso abesra mo nyu bia no ye lawyer nyu bia ye de lawyer kan ni din lawyers ni bebre no ye nyina ye din no lawyer nka ho ti you me bo me din am mo lawyer me tro me din am mo lawyer ti se wo pese me hu se me lawyer ukọ internet ne so a odi me din hye so a ebe yi abasa me lawyer obi nso wo a sa lawyer no kusia no McDonald's obi nso wo onim ne din lawyer bia odi wasam ko ne obi bisa ne full name na bisa no lawyer ko a oye e bia no ye pocket lawyer no watimi hu se pocket lawyer de tumi bia ni ho lawyer nso o ta use email bia no nya lawyer ko ye lawyer obe use no ani email memma no create email ma form oye no hwe because problems ni do na beba no na obi asɛ no dada ti moma yɛ nhwɛ na sɛ na OPD kan no sɛ owo any questions a wopɛ sɛ ɔde ba absolutely wobɛtumi afrɛ but sɛ na de bia me identity eba no ɛnyɛ nkwa na yɛ lawyers wɔ UK enti me ka sɛ ko hu lawyer na me ka sɛ ko hu Ghana ni lawyer ɔyɛ lawyer ɔwɔ nkrataa sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer aban agye na tum enti OPD ɛnɛ aha ana yɛde mu bisi
Nyami enshira Uncle Ben any workers in production team ni na nyami enshira mu nyina na afi so akoye bro nya dey na say December ye room so dey na kesi Yankopon onbo obia nso ho ban na bibia so ntumi kama na yedi dwege ni anso yedi si ha na ye sori akọ na ye koyi de na kesi yene BWF Solicitors ye no mu edi nkran nyami adoma next week no ye besa ni ehia biom na yɛde deɛ ɔhɔ nso deɛ make I will say follow BWF Solicitors follow ɔmo wɔ YouTube ɔmo wɔ Facebook impo oko abefo ntintan kase no so a www.bwfsolicitors.com.uk and also betumi e follow mo hon so na bibia any information bia wo hia bia no obetumi enya ho de am de ne se wokwa website lawyer senior bia din ho bia information ho possibly opese any bibia opese o access bia obetumi access so ho na wotumi no ma twetwe nkomo na bibia so etumi aka for wo ha okoda na omo mbo na won so ntumi engina wo na so na ye ka se wo abrochira won so do se se obo esisu pan se menso mo ha bi na bibia so etumi aka ma ye ne mu edinkra na yame adema Saturday so no obati o monka na bibia nso na watumi de ato mu enu bibia so etumi akoso ede ma medin ede na na tutujagu OPD the second so one team nke bi ma ya basi na shia nyame adema next week na de ho no so ede abro makro.
This is our world.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.